So, I just want to do a really super quick recap, very surface level for anyone who missed my first video on this. But I do recommend heading over and giving that a watch because I do a really epic deep dive on basically what it all means. In a very high level explanation, Eugenia has found herself in the middle of a huge social media lawsuit that has been going on since 2022. So it's really established, and these things move so slowly, so I'm not at all surprised that that's the case. It seems she's always kind of been a talking point for this case as like a prime example of how a creator can cause harm to minors, but she's not the only one. But when she had her Mother's Day incident and had a bit of a health thing live, the plaintiffs in this case got very interested. Now, this is a massive federal lawsuit against not just TikTok, but Meta, Snap, and pretty much all of the leading social media companies. It's families, schools, and government districts who are suing and claiming that these platforms are designed to be addictive and cause harm to children and teens. We're talking like depression, anxiety, conditions of Eugenia's type, and a few other things that I can't mention because YouTube does not like these words. When Eugenia had her medical episode on TikTok's platform Live, the lawyers in this lawsuit immediately saw an opportunity and they started demanding documents from TikTok about her, about TikTok's relationship with her, about user complaints, and basically how much TikTok actually knew about Eugenia's situation. TikTok refused. They argued that it was outside the discovery period, which had ended 2 months prior. So in my last video, I found those unsealed court documents from August 13th of this year. The joint letter brief where both sides basically laid out their arguments, and I showed that this wasn't about Eugenia. This was about whether TikTok knowingly platformed harmful content to minors. But that was just the legal battle, both sides arguing their case, and now we have the ruling.